let us understand various possible combinations of try, catch and finally. So, before understanding different possibilities of writing the try, catch, finally, let us understand these few points. Okay. In try, catch, finally, order is very important. The order of try, catch is very important. Okay. Whenever we are writing try, compulsory we should write either catch or finally. Whenever you write a try block, compulsory that particular corresponding try should be having a corresponding catch or finally, otherwise we will get compile time error, that is try without catch or finally is invalid. The other one, whenever we are writing catch block, compulsory try is required. Okay, catch without try is not acceptable, otherwise we will get compile time error, that is catch without try is invalid. Whenever we are writing finally, compulsory try is required, otherwise we will get compile time error, that is finally without try is invalid. Okay, these are the terms and conditions. Okay, inside try we can declare try, catch and finally blocks. Nesting of try, catch and finally is allowed. For try, catch and finally blocks, curly braces are mandatory, like these braces are mandatory. Without these braces, this try, catch and finally are not valid. Okay. So, let us see with different scenarios, various possible scenarios. Okay. We can write like this: try, open curly brace, close curly brace, catch some exception E, this is valid. Okay. This is okay. Coming to the next one, try, catch, exception E, and this is another catch with different exception. This is exception X, this is exception Y, two different exceptions. This is also valid. Single try with two different catches, it is fine. Coming to the third one, try, catch, exception and the same exception again, it will throw an error, compile error, exception X has already been caught. This we have discussed already, I think. The other one, try, catch, exception E, finally, this is valid. Try, catch, exception E completed, and then another try, exception Y, this is also valid. These are two different catch, try, catch, this is also another try, catch in a sequence, this is valid. Okay. Try and finally, this particular in this particular scenario there is no catch, this is okay. There might not be an exception, right, that is okay, but finally will be executed. If this particular throws a if this particular try throws an exception, even then finally will be executed, this is okay. This particular syntax is okay. Try, catch, exception E, try and finally, this is also valid. Try, only try is not valid, right. So, what we have discussed, whenever we are writing try, compulsory we should write either catch or finally. We do not have a catch or a finally, this is it will throw an error. Try without catch or finally is invalid. Catch, see catch, what have we discussed? Whenever we write catch, compulsory try is required. Does this catch has a try? No. Catch without try is invalid. Same with the finally without try is invalid. Okay. Let us come here, try, finally and then catch, this is completely wrong. Catch without try, from try to finally it is fine. This particular catch, it looks for the corresponding try, does not have a try, so catch without try is invalid. See, try and then SOP statement and then catch. Immediately after the try closing block, catch should be there. You cannot write some SOP statements between try and catch blocks. Try without catch or finally, it will throw two errors, like try without catch, like it will consider try as one block, catch as another block. So, individual blocks, try will not be try is not having any catch, corresponding catch, and also catch is not having its corresponding try, it will treat like that. So, it will throw two compile errors, try without catch or finally catch without try. So, try and then catch exception E and then SOP and then catch, even this is not valid, right. It will be looking for its corresponding try. The second catch is not have a corresponding try. Catch without try, like this we will be getting a compile time error. Try, catch, exception E, and then SOP. Till here it is fine. Okay. Finally is not having a corresponding try. Finally without try is invalid. Try, within try we have a try catch exception, again try block close, catch. This is absolutely fine. This is nesting of try. Okay, this is fine. Try, within try another try block, catch exception. It will throw an compile time error, try without catch or finally. This exception is for the internal try because it does not have a catch or finally. This one is fine, right? Try has a corresponding finally, this is nested inside, this is fine, and this particular try has a catch, this is fine. And then try, catch, within the catch we have a try and finally, this is also absolutely fine. Try, catch exception if, within the catch we are writing only finally. Finally should be having a corresponding try. What have we discussed? Whenever we are writing finally, compulsory try is required, otherwise we will get compile time error. This particular finally does not have a corresponding try, it will throw a compile time error. Finally without try is invalid. Similarly, try, catch, exception E, finally, in the finally we have nested try, catch, this is also absolutely fine. And then try block, catch block, within finally we are writing another finally, but this particular finally does not have a corresponding try. Finally without try, it will throw an exception saying, compile error saying finally without try is invalid. Then this one try, try block, catch, open close, finally open close, and then finally open close. The second finally does not have a corresponding try, it will throw a finally without try, is invalid. Next, see, I have written try, I did not write any curly braces, then I wrote SOP high, this is invalid, right? What have we discussed? For try, catch and finally blocks, curly braces are mandatory, this is not accepted. Okay. The same, in the similar fashion, try has a open and close curly braces, but catch does not have, this is invalid. Catch block should be having open and close curly braces. The similar fashion, here try is having open close, catch is also having curly open and close, but finally is not having, this is invalid. Okay. These are different various possible combinations of try, catch and finally. Okay. Thank you guys, see you in the next class.